You probably clicked on this video because your lips are dry. They're probably a little cracked. It's cold outside and your lip balm is not saving you, but it's okay. I got you with our 2-ingredient lip scrub. You're welcome. Keep on watching.
Baby, you're the one and only. Baby, you're the one and only.
First, we grab our sugar. I have organic brown sugar, but feel free to use any other sugar you have available. Next, we have our oil. I opted for coconut oil, but you can use any other oil like olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil. Trust me, you have so many options. And then a mini container if you plan to store this. Grab your spoon and let's get to making this 2-ingredient lip scrub. There are no measurements necessary, and I make enough for the next week or two, so I store my scrub into my mini container and then add my oil. And that's really it. Just add your sugar, then oil, and you are done. This recipe is all about what consistency you prefer. For example, I like my scrub to be a little more on the coarse side, so I do a higher ratio of sugar than oil to reduce the sugar from getting completely dissolved. But if you want a softer scrub, just add more oil and that is all. And there you have it, a non-toxic, affordable, non-irritating, and delicious formula for softer lips. Feel free to add vanilla or your favorite fragrance oil if you prefer to further customize this formula. And this can also double as a body scrub if you'd like. Just remember to wash your bathtub afterwards. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for your support and see you soon.